In the rugged highlands of southern Venezuela, a remarkable discovery has recently come to light, bringing new insight into the human history in South America. Hidden away in this mountainous region, archaeologists have uncovered never-before-seen ancient rock art that has offered a glimpse into a long-lost culture that once thrived in this remote corner of the world. Today on Documentify TV, we will explain why this discovery is important to archaeologists. So let's get into today's video. The discovery, made by archaeologist José Miguel Pérez Gómez of Simón Bolívar University and his colleague Roger Swidorowicz, spans approximately 20 different sites scattered throughout the region. These sites contain a diverse array of artistic expressions, including glyphs, pictograms, and other symbolic representations, all painstakingly carved and painted onto cave walls and massive boulders. What makes this find particularly significant is that it represents the first known instance of rock art discovered in southern Venezuela, a region previously thought to be devoid of such ancient artistic expressions. The setting for this extraordinary discovery is the Canaima National Park, nestled within the Guiana Highlands of Venezuela. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its breathtaking landscape, dominated by flat-topped mountains known as tepuis, which tower majestically over lush forests and sprawling savannas. The awe-inspiring beauty of this region has captivated visitors for centuries, and it seems that ancient peoples were equally moved by its grandeur, as evidenced by the newly discovered rock art wall. While similar ancient artwork has been found in neighboring countries such as Guyana, Brazil, and Suriname, Venezuela had until now appeared to be an anomaly in the region, lacking any significant prehistoric artistic representations. This discovery not only fills a crucial gap in our understanding of ancient South American cultures, but also raises intriguing questions about the people who created these symbols and the messages they sought to convey. The research team's efforts to uncover these hidden treasures were greatly aided by collaboration with the local Camaracoto people, who helped identify several previously unreported sites containing pictograms and petroglyphs. Interestingly, the Camaracoto themselves deny any cultural association with the artwork, adding another layer of mystery to its origins. Attempts to locate the traditional custodians of these sites have so far been unsuccessful, leaving archaeologists to piece together the puzzle of who might have created these ancient masterpieces. While the exact age of the artwork remains unknown, comparisons with similar rock art found in other regions of South America, such as the Cave of the Hands, suggest that these Venezuelan examples could be at least 4,000 years old. Some rock art sites in Brazil have been dated to over 10,000 years ago, hinting at the possibility that the newly discovered Venezuelan art could be even older than initially estimated. The symbols and motifs found at these sites are believed to hold deep ritualistic and spiritual significance. However, deciphering their precise meanings presents a formidable challenge for archaeologists. As Pérez Gómez candidly admits, for archaeologists, it's very difficult to get into the mind of people that lived 4,000 years ago. Despite this obstacle, the researchers believe that the spectacular locations chosen for these artistic expressions were of great importance to their creators. Pérez Gómez suggests that these sites likely served as portals for the ancient artists to connect with supernatural worlds and perhaps even communicate with their ancestors or loved ones. The careful selection of these locations implies a deep, spiritual connection between the people and the landscape, with the art serving as a medium to explain and interpret their reality. One particularly fascinating site detailed in the researchers' paper is a boulder adorned with a variety of shapes painted in red ochre, likely sourced from nearby rocks. The boulder's surface is a canvas of intricate designs featuring dots, feather shapes, key-like symbols, roof-like structures, and Y-shaped markings. These symbols are arranged in different panels across the boulder, sometimes overlapping each other, suggesting multiple phases of artistic activity over time. The boulder's elevated position, offering expansive views of the surrounding landscape, indicates its significance as a geographical reference point. Its size and shape also suggest that it may have served as a temporary shelter for a group of 15 to 20 individuals, Evidence of fire use, as indicated by blackened walls and ceiling, further supports the theory that this site was more than just a canvas for art, but also a place of habitation and possibly ritual gatherings. The discovery of these rock art sites in Venezuela is the result of years of painstaking work by the research team. Their efforts have not only unveiled these ancient treasures, but also opened new avenues for further exploration and study. The team hopes to conduct additional expeditions to document the sites in greater detail, potentially uncover more hidden art in the wilderness, and work towards preserving these invaluable cultural artifacts for future generations. As Perez Gomez and his colleagues emphasize in their paper, this is the first time these pictograms have been preliminarily researched and contextualized in this remote place. Our initial results indicate that we stand before a relevant archaeological site. They stress the importance of continuing research at these locations and exploring the surrounding geographical context for similar rock art sites. The findings from this groundbreaking discovery were presented at the UNESCO-supported New World's New Ideas Conference in Italy, generating significant interest within the archaeological community. A paper documenting some of the discoveries was published in the journal Rock Art Research in 2023, with Perez Gomez presenting updated findings at the New World New Ideas Conference in June 2024. As research continues, these ancient symbols etched and painted on the rocks of southern Venezuela shows our modern world that there are still secrets waiting to be uncovered, ancient stories to be told, and connections to our distant past waiting to be made. That's it for today's video, folks. Join the discussion in the comments section and let us know what you think. Until next time, see you in our next video right here on Documentify TV.